Let me tell you the story of the mother and the wolf. One early morning, a hungry wolf was prowling around a cottage at the edge of a village when he heard a child crying in the house. Then he heard the mother's voice saying, "Hush, child, hush. Stop crying, or I will give you to the wolf." Surprised but delighted at the prospects of such a so delicious meal, the wolf settled down under an open window, expecting every moment to have the child handed over to him. But though the little child continued to fret, the wolf waited all day in vain. Then, towards the nightfall, he heard the mother's voice again as she sat down near the window to sing and to rock her baby to sleep. "There, child, there, the wolf shall not get you. No, no, Daddy is watching, and Daddy shall kill him if he should come near. If he should come near." Just then, the father came within the sight of the home, and the wolf was just barely able to save himself from the dogs by a bit of running. The moral lesson, my friends: do not believe everything you hear. Have a wonderful day. مدرب لغة وليد خالد.